Alrighty, we have Naquaya. How old are you, Naquaya? How old are you? Don't get starstruck. 1. Let me see. 1. Okay. Now right here we have different colors of Play-Dohs. I'm gonna show you, and then I want you to give them back to me when I ask for a certain color. Okay? So this is yellow. Okay. Okay. This is green. Okay. This is blue. Okay. This is red. Okay. Alright, again, the colors again. We got 2 sets of them. This is green. Okay. This is red. Okay. This is blue. Okay. And this is yellow. Okay. Back up, Kalaya. Alright, so mommy's going to place them all right here. Move, Kalaya. Okay, Naquaya, I need you to come back over here. Sit down. Okay. Give me a green. Okay, thank you. Give me a yellow. Okay, good. Give me a give me a blue. No. Give me a blue. No, no, no. That's yellow. Give me a blue. No, 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 that's red. Give me a blue. Okay, good. Alright, give me a red. Okay, good. Give me a green. Give me a green. No, no, no. Give me a green. A green. No. Give me a green. No, no, no. Not of those ones. Of these. Give me a green. Give me a green. Right. Good. Okay. Give me a red. Okay. Give me a red. Okay. Put that down. Give me a blue. Give me a blue. Okay, good. Good. Thank you. Give me the blue. Give me the blue. Okay. Now give me the yellow. Give me yellow. Give me yellow. Okay, thank you. Great job! 1-year-old. How old are you? How old are you? 1? You're 1? Okay, good job, Pi. Okay.
It's my turn.